welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. Today I've got like this special find. I have to confess that I often go out on spy missions and look at art products in different places. But it's all in for the best because I'm also looking for the best things that we can bring to you through any venue possible. Zig is one of those manufacturers that we've recently started to pick up more of their product, and this thing that I found was just absolutely amazing, and so I was like, please let's pick this up. This is so cool. I recently was doing a cut paper piece as a demo, and I knew that with the very delicate pieces that I was doing that like standard glues were not gonna work. So I was looking for something that was delicate and it wasn't gonna ooze everywhere and make a bigger mess for me to have to then back out and clean up after it dried. I found this. This is called the Zig glue pen. This is awesome. I got the fine line ballpoint. And you're thinking a ballpoint glue pen, how's that work? I don't know. I honestly don't know. It just does. It actually doesn't dry out and cause the ball to freeze in there. It just kind of works. And the glue is actually pretty amazing. I was really surprised. It comes out blue like a frisket would or a masking fluid. I don't really know if you can see it here because this ballpoint is such a fine line. But it comes out blue so you can see exactly where you've put the glue, and then it dries clear. It also, when it says, you know, squeeze and roll, what they mean is it has like this gummy reservoir where if it starts to slow down a little bit, you can actually just give it a little squeeze and it'll speed it back up. The cool thing is that like if you go a little nuts and you just kind of overdo it a little bit and it does happen to come out the edges, when it dries clear, you can remove it in the same way that you could with like old school rubber cement, where you can like use our, you know, masking fluid pickup or your fingers and just peel it right off. It doesn't do any damage to any of the papers that I've tried it on. So I really love this. This is a couple of bucks. It's acid free and xylene free. Doesn't really have much of a smell at all. So this is a no miss. You absolutely need to spend a couple bucks. Try this out because it is excellent and we are sure that you will enjoy.